Did you know about a typewriter that writes your death? If you have the courage, listen to this story till the end. Our story goes back to 1878. By then, the typewriter was changing the world, but one specific prototype carried a deadly curse. A quiet clerk named Mark worked the lonely, late-night shift at a printing office. Mark was constantly bullied by his co-workers, unable to speak up but secretly burning for revenge. One stormy night, a heavy, mysterious typewriter was brought into the office. Seeking an outlet, Mark playfully typed the name of his chief bully, Puck. Suddenly, the machine clacked on its own, a voice echoing from the metal. "What punishment do you desire?" Shaken, Mark typed, "Death." The keys hammered back. "How?" Mark answered, "Heart attack." The next morning, Puck was found dead of a sudden heart failure. The typewriter had chosen Mark. Every night, a dark force possessed him, drawing him to the keys. The machine became his twisted guardian angel. Whoever crossed Mark, the typewriter would automatically type their name, and they would die by morning. But the curse demanded blood. One morning, Mark had a bitter argument with his own mother. That night, the typewriter possessed his hands and typed her name. Terrified, Mark tried to delete the text, but the keys wouldn't budge. The next morning, his mother was found lifeless. Realizing the horrific reality of this cursed object, Mark grabbed a hammer to destroy it, but a raspy voice boomed from the gears. "I helped you, and you try to break me. Now, it's your turn." The machine instantly seized control of Mark's body. Paralyzed, he was physically dragged out of his room and onto the stormy terrace. An invisible, violent force shoved him over the edge. The next morning, Mark's twisted body was found on the pavement. Since that fatal night, this cursed typewriter has traveled the world, choosing its own owners, and waiting for the next name to print. Do you know of any haunted typewriter like this? For more spine-chilling stories, just follow Fear Found.